Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, as promised, kung napanood nyo yung huling reading ko, ito, gagawin ko na ang unique o signs or the 12 signs na reading. Love messages ito para sa lahat ng earth signs. So, nagawa ko na yung fire signs. Kaya, I'll continue with the earth signs sa reading na ito. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko ngayon ay ang 8 card spread. And using this deck, bubunitin ko yung 8 cards na yun. That would be the overall or main reading. Then, I'll use the other deck to clarify yung hidden card na lalabas mamaya. Okay. Yan. So, sisimulan ko sa reading for all Tauruses. Yan. So, para ito sa lahat ng Taurus. And gusto ko lang i-remind ng lahat na this is a collective and general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na, or panoorin niyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na sa channel na to. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate din sa inyo, lalo na't ang tarot and oracle readings ay timeless naman talaga. Okay, so let's start. And check nyo na lang din pala sa timestamps sa baba yung for the other signs, for this sign and for Virgo and Capricorn. Ayan. So, pwede nyo nang ma-skip tong reading na to. Okay. So, again, this is for all Tauruses. Ayan, simulan na natin. So, I'll get the 5th card dahil may ngayon. First card, the Chariot. Second card, Wheel of Fortune. Ace of Wands. 8 of Cups. The Moon. 7 of Swords. The Sun. And last, Knight of Wands. Okay, bottom of the deck, 7 of Wands. So this is the energy you don't see coming. Para nasa energy ninyong dalawa. Okay. So you might be dealing with a Cancer, okay, Pisces, a Leo, and a Taurus as well, a Scorpio, or an Aquarius. So doesn't have to win yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay. Alright, so for Tauruses, ayan. So for Tauruses, start yung reading ninyo sa the Chariot, and then Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands, 8 of Cups, the Moon, 7 of Swords, the Sun, and ends with the Knight of Wands with the hidden energy of 7 of Wands. Okay. So I can see here na there's an opportunity na between the two of you of starting a new beginning together and letting go of what happened in the past. Okay? So, may nangyari in the past, pwedeng sa relationship nyo mismo, okay? Or sa kanya-kanya ninyong mga challenges in life. Okay? So, pwedeng in a relationship kayo pero may kanya-kanya kayong problema. Like, for example, may sa work mo, or sa family niya, or sa mga projects na hawak niya. Okay? And yung opportunity, as shown here with the Wheel of Fortune, something good is about to happen between the two of you. It's a rare opportunity din na gusto niyo yung i-grab together as a couple. And it's related as well with the Ace of Wands here. It's really a new beginning with it. Lalo na kasi Ace of Wands is about the desires, the purpose, diba? Ano bang purpose ng relationship ninyo? Or ano bang purpose ng bawat isa sa inyo in relation to the connection between the two of you. And with the Chariot card here nga na parang nagpo-progress kung ano man yung meron sa inyong dalawa. Okay, maybe it be the affection, or kung nag-start kayo sa friendship, so mas lumalalim pa yung friendship ninyo. And if you're alam mo yun, kahit naman matagal na kayong in a relationship, or even kahit kasal na kayo or engaged na kayo or in a long-term committed relationship kayo, may mga pa rin naman, di ba? May mga nadi-discover pa rin naman kayo sa isa't isa, or mas nagdi-deepen pa yung relationship ninyo, and that's how it's happening now in the relationship. And itong opportunity or something na parang destined to happen with the Wheel of Fortune here, it's progressing. Okay? And yun nga, parang gusto nyo na i-let go na rin yung mga, or kung hindi nyo man siya i-let go, parang tapos na siya and pwede nyo na siyang isang tabi kung ano man yung mga issues na kinaharapan ninyo in the relationship or outside the relationship, between sa sarili lang ninyo, na naka-apekto sa relasyon, pwede nyo na siyang isang tabi. And however, be careful lang kasi yung person niyo may tendency din siya to keep secrets, diba? Not necessarily bad secrets, diba? Pero kasi nga, kuwari, diba, sabi ko dito, parang may mga issues or concerns kayo na pwede nyo na isang tabi. Kaso, mayroon lang parang tendency si person ninyo to parang ipakita na okay, sinantabi ko na yung ano mga issue na yun or ano may problema ko, parang na-resolve ko na siya. Kasi may na yung Seven of Swords kasi is a way of manipulating things, diba? Pero parang ang intention niya kasi dito is ayaw niyang maging malungkot ka, or lalo na kung nakita niya na parang ikaw okay ka na or na-resolve mo na sa end mo whatever issues that you have, or in terms of sa relationship, parang for you, parang okay na. Pero parang sa kanya, dahil gusto kanya maging happy with the Sun card here, parang I'll just keep it a secret na hindi pa ako okay, na nire-resolve ko pa yung mga kailangan ko i-resolve. Okay? And it's a way of, keeping a secret, it's a way of manipulating the situation, diba? Kasi you're not all out and you're trying to fabricate or create information, not necessarily false, pero alam mo yun, medyo na-tweak na yung information. Pero kasi nga, gusto ko lang niya maging masaya kasi nakikita niya na okay ka na, and then ayun na lang din niya na mamblema ka pa sa problema din niya. And with the Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands here, gusto niya na parang magkaroon ka ng confidence din sa relationship at sa kanya na kaya niya i-handle yung situation. So parang, sige, sa sarili na lang niya or papalabasin niya na parang okay ng lahat kahit hindi pa talaga. Kaya dito, yung hidden energy here is the Seven of Wands. And the Seven of Wands is yun nga parang overcoming challenges. So, ma-overcome naman siya soon. Kasi it's the hidden energy. Na parang ito naman din is hindi naman din siya magtatagal. Parang hindi nga lang siya right away nangyari yung na-resolve nung person ninyo yung mga kailangan i-resolve as fast as how you resolve yours. Okay? So, this requires some patience pero he or she is trying and doing her best na maging okay na rin siya at maging makakontribute din siya dun sa progress na nangyayari sa relasyon. Diba? Pero tingnan natin ano pa yung nakakabit na information dito sa Seven of Wands. Habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Taurus na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Abangan nyo na rin yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Comment na rin dito sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate itong reading nito. And sa mga bago, please subscribe para mas mag-grow pa yung channel ko at marami pa akong reading na magawa para sa inyo. Okay, I'll get the 5th card as well. First card, okay, Tower. Okay, Seven of Swords again. And Eight of Wands. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito, madidiscover mo rin yan na hindi siya okay. Parang, magaling din kasi yung intuition mo. And, nakikita ko dito na, ma-overcome yung challenges, pero dahil din sa tulong mo. Yun yung nakikita ko dito na, here with the Tower card kasi, there will be a revelation. More of revelation, not really sudden change na nakikita ko dito. More, may ma-reveal. And yung revelation na yun is yung whatever he or she is trying to manipulate sa situation. Not you necessarily minamanipulate niya, but the situation. Lalo nga yung mga secrets na nakikita ko dito sa The Moon. Nakita natin sa The Moon card here na may mga hindi siya nire-reveal sa'yo. Mga information na parang sinasarili niya. Pero parang sobrang naapektuhan na rin siya. And in a way, naapektuhan yung relationship mo at nararamdaman mo yun. And yun, ma-reveal yun sa'yo through either a common friend or information na bigla mo na ma-receive like a text message or from your family na may alam nun o family niya. Okay? So, and that information parang will allow you to help this your person or this person resolve and overcome that challenge, and that would lead to something good and something that will have some progress and momentum na dun sa relationship ninyo. Once na ma-resolve na yan, para magtutuloy-tuloy na din yung progress. Kasi hindi siya fully makapag-proceed talaga, mukha lang, kasi ikaw okay ka na, pero siya ang happy. Once na bring up na rin yung whatever secret it is, kasi tulungan siya, and nakita ko dito na resolve yan, yung part niya. So, kayo together will move forward na. Hindi na mas madede yung progress sa relationship ninyo. Okay, so sana nakatulong tong game na to. Ayan, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Now, let's proceed kay Virgo. Okay. Okay, now this reading ay para sa lahat ng Virgo. So kung in-skip nyo na yung first reading na sa Taurus at dumiretso na kayo dito through the timestamp. Okay. Ayan, para sa inyo tong lahat mga Virgo, and like what I did earlier, I just reminded Tauruses, so I'm reminding you as well that this is a collective and general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo, so abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading, or panoorin ninyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka sa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Kasi ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay, so pubunot tayo ng walong cards from this deck. What would be the overall energy or the main reading ninyo. Tapos may hidden card akong yung bottom of the deck card, and from there yun yung magiging using the other deck I'll try to clarify that hidden energy. Okay, so I'll get the fifth card dahil may ngayon. So again, this is for all Virgos. First card, Seven of Cups. Second card, the Hierophant. Then Two of Cups. The Lovers. Three of Pentacles. The Fool. King of Pentacles. And, long Death card. Bottom of the deck, Six of Wands. So that's the energy you don't see coming or there. Nasa energy ninyo pero hindi na mamalayan. Okay. So, it started with the Seven of Cups, then Hierophant of Cups, the Lovers, Three of Pentacles, the Fool, King of Pentacles, and then Death card. Pero don't worry about this, that I can see here naman that it's about transition or parang a new beginning coming from an ending. Okay? So, because the Death card is also a card of transformation after letting go of something. Okay, so, sorry. So, para sa mga Virgo, okay, so there's the energy of the Seven of Cups, and Seven of Cups is there's an indecision lang when it comes to complying or being conventional. Kasi ikaw, hindi ka conventional person. Lalo na kung meron kang may yung mga beliefs mo, yung mga you follow tradition, but that not necessarily mean na maging rigid ka na okay, ito yung tradition, ito yung what's conventional, dun ka lang din. Kaya medyo may conflict when it comes dun sa Seven of Cups dito, na parang may indecision ka na, magpapaka-conventional ba ako or not. Kaya may decision ka din talaga na kailangan gawin kasi the Hierophant plus nakakabit pa siya sa Two of Cups, which is more on deciding in relation to your feelings and emotions dahil mahal mo tong person na to. And about, kasi the lover's card, bukod sa taong mahal mo talaga siya, pero yun nga, parang may mga decision ka na kailangan gawin kung magpapa-conventional ko na or not. And I can sense here that meron nga dito na parang same gender relationship yung nasasagop ko na energy that gusto mo tong person na to. Pero ang sinasabi nga ng society is you don't, parang lalo na kung saan ka lumaki or sa circle na kinabibilangan mo na parang hindi pwede. Yung sinasabi nila, hindi pwede. Pero ikaw, parang susundin mo ba yon or not? Parang may mga considerations ka rin kung bakit parang gusto mo rin parang nahihirapan ka rin na suwayin yun. And doesn't always, I mean, yung energy na sabi ko is not for everyone. Mayroon din kasi na even if it's not it's a conventional relationship of the guy and girl, 'di ba? Merong and malaking factor din talaga yung family dun sa decision mo to pursue this relationship. Pero nakikita ko dito that magiging collaborative yung effort ninyong dalawa. Hindi lang ikaw yung magdadala nung relationship or nung sitwasyon, and hindi lang din niya hahayaan na parang ikaw, bahala ka mag-decide ka anong gusto mo. Parang with your person, very supportive din siya, and nakikita ko dito na mas pag-uusapan nyo pa ng maigi to, and you'll work things out together. Diba? Kaya magkakaroon ng fresh start. And this fresh start is, as shown here by the full card, will lead to something abundant between the two of you sa relationship ninyo. Leading to a transformation, this death card, of something better na parang, yun nga, and nakikita ko dito that the death card is about ending this conventionality or parang fina-follow mong tradition that will result to something victorious. Kasi Six of Wands here is your hidden card or hidden energy na parang dito, syempre mapapaisip ka, di ba? Ano bang kailangan kong gawin? Pero pag if you look here dun sa other energy na leading towards this hidden energy of something victorious or something na mas makikita ninyo yung I wouldn't say results agad, pero kasi nga hidden siya, depende nga siya dun sa decision na gagawin ninyo. Pero nakita ko dito, yung Six of Wands kasi is a victory na result siya ng collaboration or teamwork. And that collaboration is here. So shown with the Three of Pentacles here. Collaboration and working together to start something new, as shown here by the Full card, leading to something abundant, more stable, and more secure. And that would end whatever ano man tong issues ninyo or yung mga decision or lalo na yung tradition and conventionality na nagiging cause nung parang matinding pagdedesisyon sa end ninyong sa end mo or sa end ng person ninyo. Okay? Yeah, pero clarify natin with the Six of Wands, bakit lumabas siya. Ano yung victory na ma-achieve ninyo if you work together? Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng Virgo na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Please continue to support by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Sa mga bago, please subscribe para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko. And syempre, para mas mag-grow pa yung channel ko at makagawa pa ako ng maraming readings para sa inyo. Comment na rin, lalo na ako mag-resonate itong reading. Okay, I'll get the fifth card as well. I'll pull 3 cards. So, first card. You see, the Fool ulit. The Fool. King of Swords. And Judgment. Okay. So, again, nag-resonate lang the Fool. So, there is really a new beginning. Yung victory na ma-achieve ninyo is really that new beginning na may establish ninyo together, and especially with the King of Swords here na parang sinasabi dito is yung pagiging honest ninyo sa sarili ninyo. Ano ba yung gusto niyo talaga mangyari sa relasyon? At kayo, personally, di ba? Kaya pag mas nagpakatotoo kayo and lumabas kayo dun sa box of conventionality, mas makikita ninyo yung results, positive results, and yung talagang gusto nyong results in your life na walang regrets dahil nga mas magiging ma-okay yung connection ninyong dalawa. There will be a sense of maturity and more loyalty pa. Diba? Pag na-establish nyo na parang you can trust this relationship, mas magiging loyal pa kayo sa isa't isa. And with the with the Judgment card here, diba? That decision, kasi Judgment card is also a card of decision. That decision, parang sinasabi dito ni Eros is the right decision to take. Okay? Ayan. So sana nakatulong ito sa inyong mga Virgo. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod pang love reading. Now, let's proceed to Capricorn. Okay. Okay. Hello sa lahat ng Capricorn. Kung skip nyo na yung dalawang readings by clicking the timestamp sa baba. Okay, so yeah. We're here sa reading ng Capricorn. And gusto kong i-remind like I did sa Virgo and Taurus na this is a collective and general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dahil baka yun ay mag-resonate na. And pwede nyo rin panoorin yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa din ay mag-resonate sa inyo dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. That would be the overall energy or main reading ninyo. Tapos yung bottom of the deck later, which is the hidden energy, ka-clarify natin siya later with the other deck. Okay, so let's start. I'll take the 5th card. Dahil may ngayon, oops, 3 of Swords agad. Okay, 8 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, the Fool, Queen of Wands, the Tower, and King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, 7 of Cups. This is the energy you don't see coming. Okay, so you might be dealing with an Aries or an Aquarius. Okay. Yeah. In Arizona or an Aquarius. So, doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So, pwedeng ibang signs pa rin naman. But your reading start for all Capricorn started with the Three of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, then Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups, the Fool, Queen of Wands, the Tower, and King of Pentacles. Okay, with the Three of Swords, there was a heartache na nangyari sa person ninyo. Okay, and that heartache, nandun pa rin siya. O parang nakikita ko pa rin na it's still causing some sadness dun sa person ninyo. Pero, upon meeting you, upon meeting you is, ito kasi parang with the 8, then 9 of Pentacles, it's like, shifting from 8 to 9, this commitment, the commitment that the two of you had or have at the moment is creating that security and freedom from that heartache and pain na nararamdaman. So actually, nakakatulong siya. Yung love na binibigay ninyo sa person ninyo is helping sa kanyang healing journey, leading to sa a fresh start, parang panibagong simula para dun sa person ninyo. And from all that heartache, nung nakilala niya kayo is para din sa kanya, it's really a fresh start. And it's giving your person this, alam mo yun, deeper, parang dahil sa deep connection na meron kayong dalawa, okay, nagkaroon ng revelation on his or her part. With the Tower here, it's not always naman as something negative change or sudden change or something chaotic, but the Tower card, I always interpret it also with as a revelation, and that revelation is parang na-reveal din sa person niya or na meron siyang revelation, yun na lang, na naganap sa kanyang life or like some sort of epiphany, ganun. So, pero leaning to, and that revelation is leaning towards yung King of Pentacles energy or something na, kasi diba, parang sad siya, may full of heartache, heartbreak, then that sadness, pero nagkaroon siya ng commitment with you, and then natulungan niyo siya na maging malaya from that life full of sadness, of pain or heartache, and it allowed you to have a fresh start together, and sa kanya din as an individual, and that revelation is about yung abundance na meron siya dahil nakilala ka niya. Okay, na it's a new phase. Parang yung sadness ngayon napalitan siya ng love, ng happiness, and ng healing sa person ninyo. And nakita ko dito, lalo na with the Seven of Cups energy here, na hidden energy. It's something na parang wishful thinking kasi yun, na parang yung person ninyo meron nga siyang inaasam-asam pa na related dun sa happiness na hindi niya na kuha or na achieve from the past relationship. And nandun pa rin yun, parang kahit na nakita parang masaya siya sa inyo, may nandun pa rin yung fear kasi na ay baka masaktan siya ulit, diba? Although dito nga with the Eight of Pentacles, that commitment leading to the freedom or security that minimanifest ninyo or inaasam-asam din niya, tapos nung nakilala niya kayo is na-experience niya yun. Okay, part of him still parang aims na sana magtagal to, sana ito na nga talaga. Alam mo yung andam niyang sana, dahil bukod sa fear, parang ngayon na experience niya yung happiness with you. Parang nagkaroon pa siya ng panibagong fear. And that fear is to lose you. Ayun, ganun. And then, that's what he or she is now trying to protect naman. Okay, especially with the King of Pentacles na he or she is really making that action na gagawin niya ang lahat for the relationship to stay, para magstay kayong dalawa sa relationship at para hindi to mawala, like what happened sa mga past relationship na meron siya, or lalo na dun sa traumatic experience or very heartbreaking experience na na-experience niya in the past. Ayun. Kasi he or she really values this relationship. Kaya na with the Seven of Cups niya na may mga wishful thinkings pa rin siya. Pero tingnan natin, ano ba tong cause or bakit lumuwas ng Seven of Cups din as the healing energy in the relationship. At habang binabalas ako to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Okay. And sa mga bago, please subscribe para mas mag-grow pa ang aking channel and para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love reading. Comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading. Ito. Okay, so bubunot akong tatlong cards that would at least detail itong Seven of Cups. First card, Eight of Wands. And then, Nine of Coins. And the Sun. Oh, yun nga, yung Nine of Coins or Nine of Pentacles kanina, yung freedom from that heartache and pain is making your person really happy and nagpo-progress siya. Talagang itong wishful thinking na to, yun, yung mga sana-sana niya is, ang result yun is talagang mas nag-e-effort pa siya. And kasi nga, masaya siya na nakilala ka niya at masaya siya dahil lumaya na siya from that heartache or heart pain or sadness na dulot nung past relationship or yung past experiences din niya. Kasi aside from that past heart breaking relationship in the past, may mga experiences din siya na hindi rin kaaya-aya. Pero I can see here na sobrang saya siya dahil nakilala ka niya at in a relationship siya with you, with the Sun card here. Plus here with the Nine of Coins or the Nine of Pentacles, nag-resonate, nag-double confirm lang siya. Yung happiness na yun is dahil sa naging malaya siya dun. Pinalaya mo siya. Parang ikaw yung reason kung bakit naging malaya siya from those heartache and heart breaking experience that na naging cause ng sadness niya for a long time. Okay? And it's progressing. So, yun. So, sana, yun, nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.